It's not that bad, Angel.
Oh, it's bad now.
I don't really know how this works. I'm gonna be going up against the Mustang. Holy. There we go. I'm gonna need you to be ready. What the hell was that? Is that mine? Is that my shit?
Yeah, dude. Hold on.
We are out here. As you can see, it is pretty freaking early. We are headed to the track right now. See, we got Tony's car right here. He got the fat tires on it. 340i B58. He's gonna be running that. We got mine right there. Should I run it? We'll see, I don't know. And then you see we got the Civic right here. Got the other 340 over here. This thing's pretty sick. Sheesh. See what this thing could do. And we got another one over there. Should be pretty interesting, man. We'll see what happens.
Stained glass window in the Benz, so lost in the instrumental. Keys got me sentimental.
Right, so we just pulled up. I'm out here off-roading in the M4. I guess we're gonna be able to park inside because we're part of the pit crew.
Soon after.
They let me race. We're officially gonna be seeing what this thing could do. I didn't expect to come here and race this thing, but I asked them when I got to the gate, and sure enough, they let your boy in. So we're gonna see what this thing could do. We out here, as you guys can see. We'll go take a look at all the cars right now. I guess we're just gonna get set up. They're gonna get their cars off the trailer. I gotta learn what I'm gonna do. I've never done this, so I don't know how the lights work or any of that. I gotta get some advice. I'm pretty hype, I ain't gonna lie. I did not expect to race. I thought we were just gonna be chilling. Pretty close.
Oh, that's the man. Good spot. Keep going.
Keep going. You're gonna have to keep going. Keep going. You're good.
Yeah,
You're good.
can't
You're
go
good.
back up anymore.
No, just go. Just go. Anyway. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. It's not that bad, Angel.
Oh, it's bad now.
What the fuck, y'all? God damn! God damn! God damn!
What?
No, it's not.
I jinxed it.
Anyway. Yeah, good. Hey, your skirt came off, bro.
All right, so I have half a gas tank. I think we should be good. I did not come prepared. I don't have a helmet, a fireproof jacket or anything. Luckily, Tony has one, so he's gonna let me use his. But we'll see how it goes, man. Taking his tires down, everybody airing down. See what type of cars we got. Of course, you know there's gonna be hella Hondas, all the Hondas. Ooh, look at this. This is clean. Jeez. That's fire right there. Oh dang, look at this thing. Think this thing's fast? All right, let's take these tires down a little bit. I'm only gonna take it down to like 25, I think. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Let's see what we're at. 24. I think we should be good with that. All right, here we go. As you can see, I did not come ready for this. I look like I'm going on a damn road trip or something. We're kind of all over the place right now, but we're gonna just go in and see how it goes. how this works. I'm gonna be going up against the Mustang. I'm not gonna do a burnout. I'm just gonna go. Shit, I am all over the place. I don't know how this works. Let's see how this goes. My first time doing this.
Back in the lanes for qualifying. We're just gonna keep running test and tune until we get 4 cars back in the lanes for the qualifier. So
I don't know where to go, bro. Let's see what we got.
I have no idea. What numbers do you have? That's what I said, they got all the numbers freaking wrong. I have no
They never printed your guys' numbers.
That has to be. Those are the last ones around, that's it.
But they're both the same one.
Mine was the slower one.
Just give one to one and give one to the other. I have no clue. The last 3 numbers have been wrong.
All right, so I guess that was just a test run because the time didn't come up. They were all confused, so I don't know what happened. I was kind of all over the place. You know, this is my first time doing this.
What'd you hit, man?
I don't even know. The time didn't come up. They were all confused when they gave me this shit, so I don't even know if this was my time.
So what number are you?
30?
036.
It might not even be yours.
Yeah, because they were like, yeah, I don't know, like.
Oh, what the heck?
this
That's
is all
weird
they-
because it didn't print the number on this side, but it printed on this side, but this side has nothing.
Yeah, so I don't know what they did. They messed
So
up.
did you do a full pass or?
Yeah, I did a full pass. He has it. He recorded it.
Did you red light or anything?
Nah.
No? That's
They-
weird.
Yeah, they were all confused. They said they f***ed up the time or something, so I don't know. So yeah, like I was saying, this is my first time doing this. So that first run right now just happened like super quick. I don't know why my time didn't show up, but yeah, we'll see what happens on this next one. All right, here we go again. See what we could do this time. I think we're going up against the Beamer, the Z4. Got the Supra right there. All right, hopefully they get my time this time. Yeah, I'm not burning out. All right. Damn, I didn't catch traction all the way. Launched her too hard. Okay, I get it now. You gotta go to the pre-staging thing lights up. That's probably why my number didn't come up last time. Thank you. 13.5. We'll do better on the next one. Hopefully the camera's on. I lost traction in the beginning. I forgot to turn the camera on until the last minute. If that was against the GTR, he lost traction or something. He would have smoked me, you know? But I'll take the dub. Thank you. 13.5. All right, so real quick intermission. I think I still got some runs left, but let's go check out these cars. I gotta use the restroom. Wow, look at this thing. Crazy Mero right here. The Lambo doors on it, next to the Type R. Damn, that thing is insane. What y'all think? Lambo doors on the Mero, the M3. Let's see the back. I like the wheels. Very popular. Fitment looks nice. Oh, we got the titanium exhaust tips. Nice. Oh, look at this. Sheesh. That's crazy.
Hey, I need some more cars with a two-step. I need some more cars.
I like the color.
We're gonna start doing it.
Oh, look at this. Here's some more inspiration for Zay right here. What y'all think about this? Okay, this is pretty dope. Wide body Eclipse. I remember these back from the Fast and Furious days. Alright, I think we're going again. We'll see if we could catch traction on this one. This is my first time on this side. I think we're gonna get 13. Low, very low 13. Yeah? I think I'm going up against an Acura or some shit. Okay. Damn, that one was worse than the other time. At least I won, technically, you know what I'm saying? But damn, that sucks, man. I know I should do a burnout. Like, obviously, I know you guys are gonna say in the comments, just do a burnout. That's why you're not catching traction, or maybe air down a little more. I didn't air down a lot, but I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys. I've never done a burnout in a manual vehicle before, and my first time is not gonna be here in front of all these people. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna happen, so it is what it is. I just gotta like feather it better. I just gotta like not launch it as hard. But let's see. Thank you.
No, we're figuring it out over here.
14, damn, that was worse. All right, here we go again. See if we could beat our time. I gotta get in the 12s. Right now we're at 13.5. I can't catch traction. I gotta get in the 12s though. All right, here we go. I'm not gonna launch so hard. Damn it, dude. I said I'm not gonna launch so hard, and then I launch hella hard. Low key, this guy kind of like threw me off because he dipped out, and I was like, oh, what the heck? And then I just dumped the clutch. Thank you. This is gonna be a bad one. 13.8, not as bad as the other one. Damn, I wanted to run the what is that? X-Drive. Is that a 340? Oh, the 440. Here we go again. We're getting runs in. I'm gonna get that 12.9. Holy, god damn. Yeah, he's done. All right. Oh, we got our wish. We're gonna be able to run the 440. Never mind. Damn, now my tires are all wet. Right, there we go. There we go. There we go. for sure was my best run so far. That had to be at least close to the 12s. I was just like dumping the clutch too hard before. That one I just let off easier. I don't know why, like I wasn't doing it like that the whole time. I just got trigger happy, you know? It's my first time. Let's see what we got.
Left lane coming at you. He's a nice candidate right now for our street license.
Ooh, thank you. 13.2. Okay, we're close. And I could have done better because the shifting, I think it was second to third, was a little sloppy. A few of them might have been a little sloppy, but definitely our best run so far. 13.2. We could take, from what I seen online, it said 12.2. So like technically we could take a whole second off of that. From what I seen online, if it's accurate. All right, here we go. See if we can get into the 12s. Oh, we're going up against a Beamer. And get in the right driving mode. All right, let's get it. 12.2 is the goal. Or not 12.2, but like at least in the 12s. Damn, bro. That shit was worse than the other one. I don't know, I didn't dump the clutch too crazy. I just couldn't catch traction, I guess. I got too much of the water. Thank you. 14, yeah, that one sucks. Oh, that. How the hell do you see through that? I don't think that is that like a 10? Damn, that's crazy. How do you see through it? There's probably someone in there right now like, what the fuck is that? That's crazy. If that is a 10, that's insane.
Yeah, I was like,
Got him.
hey,
Got him. Say hello to Candy
say
Camera.
hello to my little friend.
If I ever need anything from you,
Hey, screw you.
I'm gonna need you to be ready.
What the hell was that?
Is that mine? Is that my shit?
Yeah, dude. Hold on. Go for it. I heard it in the back. Something sounded loose.
Good or what?
I don't know. It sounded like metal though.
Sometimes rocks get caught in there. One time a rock got caught in there, it made that noise.
Maybe could be that.
These tires pick up so many damn rocks. Everything looks good, right?
Go for it. I'll see if
I ain't run nothing over. Hopefully, I don't know what that was. I think we're good.
maybe I think it was a rock or something that went inside your drum. Maybe.
Yeah. Should I do a donut?
That was scary, man.
I know, dude.
Shit.
Why did it scare me like that, bro? I was over here joking around and shit. All right, we out of here. Hopefully that was just a little fluke. That thing got some pretty good times right there. That thing is so sick. Not gonna lie to you, I think I like the G80s better than the G82s. I like the rear end on the G80s better than the G82s. Now I want a G80, but I can't afford that. But yeah, we're out of here, man. I wasn't able to get in the 12s. I could have kept going, but I just didn't want to like overdo it. You know, I did a good amount of runs. It's pretty warm over here. And it was my first time, you know, testing it out. I had fun with it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I had fun, and we'll see what happens next time. Appreciate you all. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Salute.